with mud. One morning, Thomas was being clean when Gordon arrived. Mud had blown all over his smart blue paint. "Hello, Gordon," called Thomas. "It looks as if you've had a mud bath. Being a sensible engine, have a shower instead." Gordon snorted. "I haven't time to draw engines my approach like fussy tank engines do." The wind blew stronger when Gordon slowed down, called to his driver. This made Gordon even crosser. "I'll be dirty and late, he hissed. At the next station there was a sign. All trains must wash down daily." James had finished being clean. "Come on, Gordon," said his driver. "You'll feel better and good after a good hose down." "Bah!" said Gordon angrily, and he let off steam. "You're a very naughty engine," said Gordon's driver. "Now, James will need another shower." "You have to wait your turn until later." Gordon didn't have Gordon. "I'm far too busy to waste time with water." He finished his journey safely and steamed into the big station. The Fat Controller was waiting. So were Gordon's coaches and the passengers. "Goodness gracious," said the Fat Controller. "You can't pull the train. Henry will have to wait. Gordon, you'd better get clean straight away." Gordon was soon being washed. "Mind my eyes," he grumbled. Then he pulled off for the rest of the day. He bumped Den hard. "That is for you, and that is for you. Trucks will be trucks," said James. "They won't with me," snort Gordon. "I'll teach him a lesson." James got ready to take the express when Gordon returned. "Be careful," warned Gordon. "The hills are slippery and you may need help." "I don't need help on the hills," replied James huffily. "Gordon thinks he knows everything." Earlier, a storm had swept on Gordon's hill, blowing leaves onto the track. Even though the storm had passed, the hill was still difficult to climb. James knew that this signal showed the clear, and James began to go faster. I'll do it, he puffed. Halfway up, he was still not sure. I must do it, but his wheel slipped over the leaves. He couldn't pull the train at all. "Help, help," whistled James. His wheels were turning forwards. The heavy coaches pulled him backwards. The whole train started slipping down the hill. His driver shut off steam and put on the brakes. Then carefully he stopped on the train. Then he saw everything. "Oh, well, we'll live and learn. Never mind, little James. I'm going to push you behind." Clouds of smoke and steam towards the storm engines. "We can do it," puffed James. "We can do it," puffed Gordon. At last they reached a dot. "Beep, beep, thank you, goodbye," whistled James. "Poo, poo," bounced Gordon. "Goodbye." That night the Fat Controller came to see the engines. "Please, sir," said Thomas, "can Gordon pull the coaches again?" "If you understand have a wash down," he said, "hints onto everything." "Then yes, Gordon, you may." "Thank you," grunted Gordon. The other engines settled in happily to sleep. "Dirty or clean, I'm a famous machine," muttered Gordon, but no one had heard but him. The end.